Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving deep into the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro, the latest flagship from OnePlus that's creating quite a buzz. Let's explore everything you need to know about this powerhouse. First up, the design and build quality. This phone is a stunner with its premium materials and sleek aesthetics. The glass back feels solid, and the matte finish gives it a sophisticated touch. It's got that high-end feel you'd expect from a flagship. Next, the display. The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro features a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, and the high refresh rate makes everything super smooth, whether you're scrolling through social media or gaming. Speaking of gaming, let's talk performance. This beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Multitasking, gaming, everyday use. This phone handles it all effortlessly. No lag, no stutter. Just pure, unadulterated power. Now, onto the camera system. The 50MP main sensor delivers sharp and detailed shots. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for those scenic landscapes, and the telephoto capabilities add versatility to your photography game. Whether it's day or night, the camera performance is impressive. Battery life is crucial, right? The OnePlus Ace 3 Pro packs a punch here too. Real-world usage shows it can last a full day without breaking a sweat. And with its ultra-fast charging, you're back to full power in no time. Finally, the software experience. Oxygen OS has always been a fan favorite, and the latest version is no exception. It's smooth, intuitive, and packed with useful features that enhance your overall user experience. So, is the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro the best flagship of 2024? It just might be. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.